Hi, this is Nolan from Benchmark, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you how... Hi, this is Nolan from Benchmark, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to add a new record type from within a project inside of Juniper's Uinta. So what I'm going to do to begin here is I'm going to hit the plus icon in the bottom right corner like I was taking a shot or something like that. That's going to bring up my record type options, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to select the pencil in the bottom left corner, and then I'm going to select the new record type option. I can now create a record type, and in this case I'm going to give it a name of a sidewalk, because let's say I want to be shooting a sidewalk and I'm feeling particularly adventurous today, so I'll type in sidewalk, and then I'm going to base this on a previous record type. In this case I have several different options from this project. I can go area, line, point, record, and then also base them just on the default parameters. Anything you have created inside your template will be visible here. So in my case, what I'm going to do is I'm just going to go with a point, and I'm going to use the default option here. And then my symbol type I'm going to leave as icon. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to change my icon from the fire icon to the pylon option, and I'm also going to change my color from orange to gray, denoting the concrete of a sidewalk. I'm then going to hit the check mark, and you can see I now have a sidewalk option in my select record type. And if I click the pencil, it's going to stop editing my records. I can now select it, use it, and map it into my Uinta project. But for now, that is everything in today's video. That is how you create a new record type from the map screen. And if you have a moment, I would please ask you to hit that subscribe button down below. It really does help us out and helps me keep making these videos. And if you have any questions about anything you've seen in today's video, or any questions about anything you've seen on this YouTube channel, please give us a call at 1-888-286-3204 or visit us on the web at bench-mark.ca.